My phone dry as shit, bro. Like, nobody texts me. But all I'm saying, bro, it better be this dry when I come up. You know what I'm saying? It better be this dry when I make it, bro. For me. Cause I will make it, that's for sure. It ain't, I want my phone to be this dry when I do.
What is up, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy, the real Flip Star, and I'm back with another video. Listen, y'all, in today's video, man, you see this whip right here? I'm about to install a CTS Turbo Catless Downpipe in this baby, man. Make that journey go a whole lot faster. You guys want to find out? I told you guys, man. I'm posting every single week. Y'all gonna get a video from me, all right? I need you guys to comment and like the video if you haven't, subscribed if you haven't already, and let's get in video, man.
Damn, Flip Star.
So right now we here. About to find out if... Talk to me, man.
What's up?
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Alright. So how long would it take?
Let's see.
You ever done something like that before? I'm about to install my Catless Downpipe, CTS Turbo. What up, my friend? Say what's up. Yo, if y'all from Valley, man, y'all wanna get your shit fixed, pull up over here, alright? We here. Mobile service, right there, 59, nigga. I ain't gonna front. If you couldn't do it, I have to drive all the way in the Bronx, nigga.
You flexing on Gorilla Gang, nigga?
From flexing?
You not flexing?
Oh shit! You come on, bruh.
Nigga?
Stop playing. We here. Nigga knows what's up. Nigga know what time it is. We here. Hey, yo, Chris. Let me hear the car real quick, man. What is this guy doing? What you installing right now?
That's my flag.
How you do that? Oh, you put it in the gas tank? Oh, that's fire. Let me see. Oh, scat back. Let me hear something. Let me go quick warm up. We ain't gotta go nowhere. Hold on. Let me go right in the back. Oh, shit! God damn! Nah, I need a fucking demon for this nigga, bro. Nah, that bit clean. Nasty the inside? Yeah. Nah, that shit clean, man. How much you spent overall on all of this? Custom made? About like thousands? Almost 10K? Nah, that shit clean. Nah, that bit clean. I need me a scat.
Is it broken trust? Is it broken trust? Is it broken trust? Is it broken trust?
They're about to put the whip inside. He's about to work on it now, you feel me? Go around there, I'm throwing that bitch. Boy, my mechanic right here. Oh, the lady. Now let's get busy. We're about to remove this joint right here. We connect it to my turbo, you feel me? So you about to take this out and then get the fucking Catless Downpipe, switch it, bring the car up, take it out. Now my drum about to be pushing more power and it's about to run a whole lot faster. It's gonna be a whole lot louder too. Okay. That's not it though, you feel me? I'm gonna do more joints, I'm gonna do more stuff to it, but that's the third thing I'm about to do right now. And by the way, I know this joint look dirty. Don't mind me, man. I'm gonna clean it, alright? I'm gonna go to the wash, get that joint make pretty shiny. It's gonna be Gucci. Stay tuned. Because when we remove that intake, we're gonna have enough space. Well, you build cars. You feel me? The only other guy in Valley I trust. In the Bronx, I know this guy could do it for me, but I don't want to make that drive yet. I just want to see if you guys can take care of it and I can pay you guys instead of driving that trip. It's too much. But he's the best mechanic I know, you feel me? But anyone else, they're a dub. That's 2 cats? I have a question. Is that 2 different cats or the same one? Right here. That's 2 different ones?
No, that's the same one.
That's the same one?
Hold on. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, no, it's 2.
So how are they connected like this?
Yo, they bolted together, bro.
Wait, I think that's 1 cat.
No way it's 1 cat, Flip.
That is 1 cat, bro.
No, that's not.
Sorry to wake you guys up. So what's the other head for that one? Is right here? No, bro. Look at this. Disconnected. Up. Oh, it's 1 cat. Sorry.
Understand nothing.
Here, that's fine. Okay, and then you got another sensor. It's gonna be okay. You're good.
Yo, you give me a heart attack.
No. But I want to make sure before I do anything that everything is fine, because if not, we're fucked, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, this one's gonna go in the back. You're gonna tighten it. And it's gonna go all the way inside.
Yo, another reason I always come to the shop, not only to just fix your car, they allow you to come here and they show you what's wrong with your car and they show you how to fix it too. So and also you're kind of learning in a way about your car. If you don't know anything about cars, now you're learning. But he just told me that now I didn't even know. But yeah. We got this CTS turbo, you feel me?
Let me see inside.
Gosh.
Oh, that's dark.
Hello? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Yes, sir. Watch out for the civilians. What the fuck? Alright, so that's what it's like before. So this is before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Almost there. Got myself some new sport drills.
Feel as fuck, man.
What did you say? How long did it take you?
Holy shit, man. Almost 40 minutes, man. 40
Just to
minutes
get that goddamn boat.
We got a lot of glue on, but I got it. So now I lose it. Now we can do the job nice. Hi. Okay.
That bastard.
This is the last one I have to remove, and then this pipe is out complete. The cat. 1, 2, 3 in the top here, but it's super rusty. So after we cut in these 3, this cat is out.
Yo, we here, man. Shit coming along pretty quick. About to be over soon. Yeah, my camera's up 1%. I'm about to turn that shit off and then I'll turn it back on when it's complete. Stay tuned. Ooh.
Fuego. We got it.
Here we go, baby.
Connect that joint. I don't know whose whip that is, but that shit clean, bro. Nah, that shit fire. All right, it's complete.
So you put a turbo.
It's about to go down.
Everything's done. Let's hear it. What's up with the civilians? Definitely louder. One more time!
Finally!
Nah, bro. I love you, bro. Yo, hit him up. Oh my god.
My shit's popping now. I should never pump like that before, bro.
I know. I've heard it.
No engine light. Yo, Chris. No engine light.
No.
Nah. Well, now, there you have it. So right now, I'm about to go inside the car, do a couple pulls for y'all. Let's get it. Gonna put that baby in the back. Now we out. I'm about to do a couple pulls for y'all. You ready, gang? Hop in the back, hop in the back.
Oh my god. This is a problem.
This isn't.
Yo, stop recording. Start recording.
Oh, buddy, I've been recording.
You been recording?
The whole time?
Oh my God, yo! Let me put the volume down a little bit for y'all. Let me let him go.
We about to rip it?
Yeah, I'm about to rip it.
Oh, we about to rip it. What the fuck?
Relax, cover.
Yo, why you driving so slow, man?
I don't know.
Why you
Kind
driving so slow,
of
man?
back up a little bit and get the whole view from here. I'm letting him go.
It is dark in here. Turn on the
I'm gonna do a pull for y'all.
turn on the light. Turn on the light.
Sebastian.
We're here to pick up my oats, man. These street guys are right. This is my favorite vegan store, right? If y'all wanna know which protein to get, oh my God. Did I just drop my... Yeah, I dropped my phone. I don't want to talk about it, alright? So, turns out, I had a fucking hole in my pocket. But it is what it is. My camera's dying. Yo, let me put you got niggas on, alright? If y'all wondering why you're not seeing results, you wanna get bigger, with this protein right here. I used to get 2 of them shits. Alright? Now, what the fuck she have with my oats?
Nah, I ain't gonna cap. Look, shit, look, it looks nice, man. Sweet potato.
Yo, why am I dropping? Man, shit, bro.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah. She got the oats. Whew. You already know it's bulking season. Yes, sir. Yo, where she going? Slow down. Oh my God.
Really, nigga?
There it is. Yeah, I bought them shit by packs. The whole box. You feel me? Yes, sir.
If you made it to the end of the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Yo, what's so tall?
Bro, let's go to.
Why you so short?
Fair enough.
Subscribe.